Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download songs for free on your phone without breaking any rules or risking copyright issues. If you've been searching for a way to build your music library, whether it's for personal use, background music, or even YouTube videos, you're going to love these websites and apps. Let's get right into it. First up is Bensound. Bensound is perfect if you're looking for royalty-free music, especially for YouTube or other creative projects. The best part? No account needed. You just click and download. You can browse by genre, mood, or theme, and there's even a free music-only switch so you don't waste time clicking on paid tracks. Just make sure to give credit if you use their music publicly. Next is Pixabay. You probably know it for free images, but they also have a huge collection of free music tracks. All songs are instrumental and completely free to download, no account required. You can filter music by mood, tempo, genre, and even movement. Whether you want something relaxing, upbeat, or cinematic, Pixabay's got you covered. Then there's Free Music Archive, or FMA. This one has over 100,000 tracks across genres like jazz, pop, blues, and more. You can search by license type too, like public domain, or tracks that are safe to remix or use in videos. It does require a free account to download, but it's worth it. And finally, we have SoundClick. SoundClick connects you directly with artists. Some songs can be downloaded for free, and others are just for streaming. You'll need to create a free account, but there are tons of genres and music charts to explore. You can even follow artists or create your own custom radio station. Just remember, not every song on SoundClick is free, so check before you hit download. So whether you're looking for music, for your videos, workouts, or just to chill, these websites are some of the best and safest ways to download free music on your phone. If this video helped you, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and comment below with your favorite music platform. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the music.